G'day, this is a personal message to say thank you for choosing SsangYong and welcome to the family. I have personally known this privately owned New Zealand company for many years and I can assure you you're in good hands. I drive a SsangYong Rexton and I think it's a great vehicle. Not only are they great for towing, they're also good with the 7 seats for all my grandchildren. Now remember, your first service is due at 5,000 Ks. As a new member of the family, you get 3 years warranty and 24/7 roadside assist. So if you get a flat tyre or have any concerns, dial the 0800 number on your windscreen. We're only a phone call away, so drop in and we'll put the jug on. If you see me driving my SsangYong, flick your lights and I'll wave out. Keep an eye out. My number plate is Pine T. Drive safely and we'll see you soon.